for the moment. We have the RF output, goes to the dummy load. The watt meter shows us that, and we have our negative supply going through the shunt. Everything looks good there, no wires have flipped off. Here's a wire that looks like it could cause a problem. Gonna fix that. Okay, so I'm going to turn the 50 volt supply back on. Okay, you can see we got 50 volts there. So now I'm going to connect the bias to the PA. We're drawing 2 amps. Now I'm going to give a little bit of drive. We have 200 watts output with 0.2 of a watt input. I'd say that's success, folks. Okay, I'm going to go up to half a watt of drive, which is 0.4 on the display. 350. Everything seems good, so I'm going to give it 0.75 watts of drive, which is 0.6 on the display. 425 watts output. Let's see, let's check that again and see what the current drain is. 20 amps. Okay, so that was 0.75 watts of drive. Let's go up to 1 watt of drive. That's 0.9 on the display. 490 watts. 22 amps of drain. I'm going to put a clamp on the ammeter here and see what it says. Can't really put it in a good spot here where you can see it, but it's upside down. That's over, so let's go down to 0.4 watts. Yeah, this ammeter is it's got a 20 amp max, and it's it's on AC. That's why. Okay, I'm going to zero it. Okay, I show 14.5 amps there and nothing there. Why is that? It's on AC again. Apparently when you change scales it goes to AC. So now it's on DC. And this shows 14.3, that shows 14.6, that's not bad, that's an inexpensive meter. I'm starting to feel a little bit of heat in the copper spreader. Okay, so what was I up to before? I think 1 watt of drive at 0.9 is 0.9. 500 watts. 22 amps. Okay. I'm going to check the temperature of the dummy load. Dummy load is okay. Alright, so let's give it 1.5 watts. That's 1.3 on the display. $575 watts. 24 amps. Okay, I'm going to go up to 2 watts of drive. That's 1.8 on the display. $650 watts. Just checking the temperature of the wiring here. It all seems to be okay. Okay, 2.5 watts drive. That's 2.2 on the display. 690 watts. We'll go up to 3 watts of drive, that's 2.7. 750 watts. I think that's, alright, what did I say? 2.5 watts, it's 2.2 on the display. No, I went up to 3 watts of drive, that's 2.8 on the display, 2.7 on the display. So now I'm going to go up to 3.5 watts of drive, which is 3 on the display. 750. Looks like we're flat topping here. Three watts. Okay, I'm going to go to 3.5. Check it quick. Oh no, that was 3.5. We're going to go to 4 watts. Which is 3.5 on the display. 800 watts. I don't want to push it any farther than that with this jury rig setup here. But I'd call this a success. This baby's making power. Just got a little bitty, well, it's got some warmth. I guess I'd call that warm. It's not a problem holding my hand on it. I think we're good, folks. I think we're really good. Now my bias current has crept up here. And I need to readjust that. Oh, but that's at room temperature we want the bias set at. So I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm gonna turn off the bias and turn off the 50 volts. And call her good. Thanks for watching.